I'm Mark Northam, the Secretary of the New South Wales ACT Independent Education Union, bringing you an update on the COVID-19 situation. For members working in the early childhood education area, they should be aware that parents can now access a hardship fund if they're experiencing difficulties due to the COVID-19 virus. Further, that employers can access a $14 million fund to help them stay afloat in difficult circumstances. The union has written to the Federal Education Minister today to have that fund increased. In terms of the independent sector, the Association of Independent Schools has been in contact with the Independent Education Union early today and have committed to a comprehensive briefing in coming days. For those that work in Catholic systemic schools across New South Wales and the ACT, the union has written to all directors today, and the material is on the IEU website. It's an open letter. And in that open letter to members, we are seeking the following things. For using the terminology of vulnerable employees in the workplace, we're seeking a range of matters be addressed as a matter of urgency. If you are pregnant, if you've got an underlying illness, a pre-existing condition, you may not be ill, or you've got an elderly parent who resides with you, we are seeking that you be able to be working from home immediately. Failing that you are granted ex gratia leave. In terms of work health and safety, a critical dimension for teachers and support staff, we are seeking today that there's daily testing of students as they enter school premises with contactless thermometers. These are fairly standard procedure in early childhood and preschool areas. Further, we're still pushing that sanitiser and soap is in sufficient quantities in schools for staff and students. Thirdly, we're calling for the immediate cancellation of vet workplace visits and placing students into workplace situations. They should be cancelled immediately. In terms of managing teacher workload, we have an important message to employers. It's absolutely critical that as student numbers decline, it is not incumbent upon classroom teachers to not only teach their face-to-face commitments, but then in a secondary dimension have to go and prepare online material to be disseminated. That is not reasonable. It should be that teachers are allocated additional time, or teams of teachers allocated additional time to manage the gradual transition to online learning. It is inappropriate for teachers to have to teach twice. Please maintain close contact with the union. Please do not hesitate to ring your organiser, and keep an eye on the IEU website for, in what is a very difficult time, we are updating the website on an hourly basis. Thank you very much and stay safe.